Do not drive or operate any machinery whilst doing this meditation. Now gently close your eyes and take a deep breath and begin to relax. Just think about relaxing every muscle in your body. Inhale peace and exhale stress. And allow yourself to relax, going deeper and deeper. And begin by letting all the muscles in your face relax, especially your jaw. Allow your teeth to part just a little and relax this area. Now, concentrate on relaxing every muscle in your body. And your mind will also become more relaxed. You will experience an increased awareness of internal functions and an increased receptivity of the senses. Now drift down and float into a deeper and deeper level of total relaxation. Feel a heavy weight being lifted off your shoulders. You are feeling lighter and lighter as you sink deeper and deeper into a comfortable state of relaxation. Now imagine a beautiful, safe staircase. There are 10 steps, and the 10 steps lead you to a special and peaceful and beautiful place. In a moment, I'm going to count backwards from 10 to 1, and you can imagine taking the steps down. And as you take each step down, you feel your body relax more and more. Feel it drift down and down each step, and you relax even deeper. 10. Relax even deeper. 9. Letting go of all tension. 8. Allow yourself to drift into total relaxation. 7. Gently going deeper and deeper. 6. Letting go. Relax. 5. Feel yourself floating down, down. 4. Deeper, deeper, bit by bit. 3. Almost there now, in this place of pure relaxation. 2. Closer and closer, deeper and deeper. 1. Arriving at your special place of deep relaxation. And now, imagine the special and peaceful place. And perhaps you can also feel it. Feel the temperature on your skin. You are alone, and there is no one to disturb you. This is the most peaceful place in the whole wide world, just for you. Imagine your special place, just for another moment, and then I will count from 1 to 10, so that you can begin coming back to full consciousness. Come back, feeling refreshed, as if you've had a long, long rest. Begin to come back now. 1, 2, coming up. 3, 4, 5, halfway there. 6, 7, 8, almost there. 9 and 10. And come all the way back. Eyes open, feeling refreshed and feeling great. Feeling better than you felt before.